The routing node manages the flow of conversations between the user and the assistant. Routing nodes are equipped with intents, which are predefined categories or purposes that the assistant can recognize and respond to appropriately. Intents help the bot understand what the user is asking or intending to do, allowing it to route the conversation accordingly. Utterances represent the different ways users might convey the same intention or request. Here I am adding "Hey" and "Hi" as utterances. I have added the intent "Greetings" to the routing node. The greetings intent have the utterances "Hey" and "Hi." When I say "Hi" or "Hey," I want the assistant to respond "Welcome," so to do that, I will add the text input node and configure it. Let's see how the assistant responds to my message, "Hi." It responded "Welcome," which is the message I set on the text input node. Let me ask something else to the assistant. I asked "What is Java?" but the assistant didn't respond at anything, because it doesn't understand the intent of the user. In this situation, we can add the fallback intent. The assistant follow the flow of fallback intent if the assistant didn't understand the user's intent. I will add the text input node with a message "This is fallback," just to show you how this works. The assistant followed the greetings path as I said "Hi." Now the assistant followed the greetings path because I said the word "Hey," which is one of the utterance in the greetings intent. Let's say something else. See, the assistant didn't understand the intent, so it followed the fallback path. That's how routing node works. See you in the next video.